Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about email marketing for beginners and how you can use it to grow your business. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about email marketing for beginners. Now, I just want to talk about what most people think when it comes to email marketing. A lot of people think that email marketing is dead, it's outdated, it doesn't work. But there's a lot of major companies still using email marketing to promote their products or their services. I'm talking about companies like Best Buy, Target, Walmart, Amazon. All of these companies use email marketing to promote their new products or just let you know whenever they have sales going on. Now, before I go any further into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're brand new here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe. And also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Now, let me just get right into it and just first start off by explaining what email marketing is. So email marketing is just promoting your products, your service, your company, your brand through a series of emails. Now, most people question the idea if email marketing actually works. I just referenced back to the point that I just made. A lot of big time corporations still use email marketing, and why do they do it? Because it actually works. Let's say that you've been looking at something at Best Buy online, and maybe let's say it's a camera that you've been looking at, and you have your email address registered with Best Buy because whenever you buy something they ask you for your email address. So Best Buy knows that you're interested in that certain camera, and whenever that camera goes on sale, they're going to send you an email. They're going to say, hey, here's the latest sales that we have available. Here's something that you've viewed before. Come check it again. And if the price is right, you might just buy that camera. So that's basically how you can use email marketing to grow your own business. Now, if you're brand new to email marketing, there's a few things that you're going to need in order to get started. First, you're going to need an email software service. So basically what this is a service that allows you to create an email list. So basically whenever somebody joins your email list, you can send a series of emails to your whole list through what's called an autoresponder service. So let's say, for example, that you have 1,000 people on your email list. So instead of you having to type out an email every time, one by one, 1,000 times to everybody on your list, you can just create one email and it's going to be sent already to everybody that's on your list. So basically, when it comes to email marketing, the number one important thing is to build your email list, because that's where the money is. Build an email list. The more people that you have on your list, the more likely you are to sell your product or your service. So how do you get people to join your email list? First, you need to give away something of value for free in exchange for somebody's email. So let's say that maybe you're in the weight loss niche. You can be giving away something like a free report or 5 tips to lose weight. Maybe here's 5 healthy eating habits or recipes to help promote weight loss. So you need to create a free offer. So something that's going to be of value, it depends on what niche that you're in and who your target audience is. So when it comes to finding out a free offer that you can provide, you need to know who your target audience is and what's a problem that they're dealing with. And you just provide a solution to that problem. So once you create your free offer, maybe it's something like an ebook or a free report that somebody can just get access to by giving you their email in exchange for that. So what you're going to do is you're going to create something what's called a landing page, and you're going to have maybe like a picture of your free ebook right here. You can have a title at the top, and right here is going to be where they're going to enter in their email right here. So in order for somebody to get access to your ebook, they're going to have to enter in their email, and usually there's a button down below right here. Once they enter in their email, they're going to click on this button, which is going to take them to the next page where they're going to get access to that free offer. But the thing is, once they enter in their email, now they're added onto your list. So just pretend right here this is going to be an email list of all the people who entered their email in order to receive your free offer. So they're going to be added to your list, but they're going to be taken to this next page, which is going to be their free offer. So once they receive that free offer, they're going to get value from that whatever. If it's going to be an ebook, they're going to read that ebook, they're going to get value from it, and now they're more likely to be open to buying your product or your service because they've seen that you gave them something away for free and they got value from it. So in their mind, they're probably thinking, okay, I got some value from this person. I wonder what they're gonna give me when I actually pay them. Now, usually when somebody receives a free offer, what a lot of people do is they redirect them to their sales page. So this gives you a chance to sell them your product or service on the spot. But the thing is, the majority of people, when they come to your sales page the first time, they don't buy it because, I mean, if they have no idea who you are or what your product is all about, they're not going to buy it. So you need to build up trust with them before they're willing to make a buying decision. See, so I would say maybe out of 100 people that come to your landing page, you're going to probably have like 1 or 2 people that actually buy. But I mean, that's still fine because now these people are still on your list. So what you can do is you can market your product or your service to them through what's called autoresponder service or sequence. So you're going to send them a series of emails where you're going to just be giving value. The first email could just be about yourself, introducing yourself, maybe your company or your brand. Just give them a little bit of background about you so they feel more comfortable and they start to build trust with you. The second email can be something like delivering value based around the niche that you're in. So like I just used the example of the weight loss niche. You can give somebody maybe some tips to maybe get better workouts. The third email, you can be delivering value by sharing your personal juicing recipes that help you lose weight. And you're going to keep this process going on and on. So as people go through your emails day by day, they're going to start to see the value that you're sending to them, and they're more likely to buy the product or service that you're promoting. So what you're going to want to do in each one of your emails after you deliver value, you're going to want to give a call to action, because if you're not giving a call to action, you're basically missing out on a chance to make a sale. Now, a call to action is just simply letting somebody know what you want them to do next. So let's say that you send out an email sharing your favorite juicing recipes that help promote weight loss. So what you can do is just simply say, if you're tired of struggling with your weight, if you're tired of just being tired all the time, you have this lack of energy, you want to live a healthier life, click here to get started with the solution to your problem. And just have a link that's going to redirect people back to your sales page. Because the thing is, when somebody sees something online, they're not ready to make a buying decision. People need to be, I guess you can say, conditioned to make a buying decision. So it takes multiple exposures before somebody's ready to make a buying decision. That's the whole process of marketing. If you see something once, you're probably not going to buy it the first time you see it. But if you see that same product over and over again, maybe you might see other people using it, maybe a few testimonials of how that product or service benefited them, then you're more open to buy that product. And that's the whole purpose of using email marketing to grow your business. Now, if you're wondering what are a few email software services that you can get started with, I mean, the 3 ones that I would recommend is Aweber, there's SendLane, and then there's GetResponse. All of these are pretty good services to get started. They all have their own plans and pricings. So I would just recommend doing your research and just see which one would be beneficial for you. They all have free trials just to check them out and just see how you like them. I believe SendLane has like a 1-week free trial, and the other 2 have about a 2-week free trial. And if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can check them out. And if you guys want to see a real example of how email marketing works, I have a free ebook down in the description called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. And basically, in order to get access to this ebook, you need to give your email, and once you do that, you're going to receive a series of emails from me. And I'm not going to be typing those emails out like to everybody that joins. It's going to be on an automated sequence. So if you get an ebook maybe like at midnight or 3 in the afternoon or 10 a.m., once you get access to that ebook, you're going to receive automated emails from me. And that's basically how you can use email marketing to grow your business and also automate your business. Well, that's basically all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are interested in getting started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Whoops, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.